Welcome to Excel Basic to Advanced. In this session, we will looking at the data that we are dealing with throughout the module and also familiar with this Excel interface. So starting interface of Excel. Now the file that open here at the top, the COVID data Excel module 1, that is called a workbook. And inside this workbook, you have a multiple worksheets at this displayed at this bottom. So here you can see this COVID data sheet 1 and other details. So these three are the worksheet. If you want to add multiple sheets, you can click on this add button and the new sheet the bottom right next to your existing sheet. So remember, entire book is a workbook and inside sheets are the worksheet. Also inside which you have a multiple cells. So cells are basically intersection of rows and this column. So you can see here this small rectangle that is called cells. Inside workbook you have different columns which are displayed at the top and they are alphabetically based, like you can see here A, B, C, D and so on. And at the left side you have the rows that are number based. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So here from the file at the top you can see from file to this particular ending up to the editing, this is entire section is a ribbon. And the below the ribbon you have a name box. You can see here this is shows the location of where you are entering the data. So here is a K4. So you can see this location is K4. And the right it you have the formula bar. It shows the which formula you are written in the cell and you can write the formula and the function. And at the top the ribbon you have a multiple tabs: file, home tab, insert, page layout, formula, data, view, developer. So each tab again the divided into a subgroup. You can see here home tab have a clipboard, font, alignment and the number. So these different tabs have their different as per the function they are grouped together. So in a home there are access some common formulas and editing tools such as font, alignment, styles and the cells and editing. And you can see in the insert tab you have various elements to your, it's for the adding the different elements for the charts, different sparkline, filter, link, text. And in a page layout that control the overall appearance of worksheet, like including page setup, options, sheet options and the arrangement. In formula you can access the function and the formula to perform a different calculation. You can see here different financial, logical, text, date, time, lookup reference, these all formulas. And in the data you can import, sort, filter, analyzing the data. You can do it in the data tab. And in a review is for the checking the spelling, adding the comments and protecting the sheets. And the view tab adjusts the display setting of your worksheet like zoom level, gridding, these all. And in the developer, this is a customized Excel with the advanced tools like a macros and automation, these are. Now coming back to our data, you have this different columns. There is first is a patient number. So in a patient number you have a unique patient number, and in a date announced, in this column you have which date they are announced they have a COVID. And in the age bracket you the patient age is a mentioned, and other column is a gender and the detected city, they are from which city, detected state, they are from which state, and then have the current status as they are hospitalized or they are the covered, and then the nationality. So you can see in the nationality have India, Italy and other countries also, but this data is a Indian COVID data set. So in the nationality, so not each and every patient suffering COVID is from India. They might be from other country. So that's why the countries are included, India and the other also. And then type of transmit. So there are different imported, local and TMD. So imported, it means someone went to outside the country and got the coronavirus. That is why they are shown in the imported. And the local, it means they got coronavirus inside India. And TBD, it means to be decided. It means they still not decide. They have details about that patient. So that's why to be decided. And other sheet in, we have other details. So this sheet we can going to fill up with the our own as per our this existing sheet, like cost of the test, number of tests conducted in India, date of the data which record, and the time of the record. So that's it for this session. Thank you.